Hello and welcome to the channel. Right, AQA again, specimen material, level 1 calculator paper. Okay, let's see what we can do with this one. When I can get this to go up and down, that's better. When I can get this up and down. Right, here we go. Here's the beginning. Here's the beginning, and let's do the pen. What is 5 more than 1? 4 minus 1 is 4. 7 over 20 is a percentage, so 7 divided by 20 times 100. So I did 7 divided by 20 times 100, and that came out as 35%. And a rectangle, what's the perimeter? So that's 4, that's 9. So 13 and 13 are 26. Work out the value of 38 squared. So this is just going to be 38 squared in the calculator gives 1444. List these in order with the smallest. The smallest is the acute. Then you've got the right angle. Then you've got the obtuse, and you've got the reflex finally. A cuboid measures this work out the volume, so it's going to be 7.6 times 2.25 times 5.4. So 7.6 times 2.25 times 5.4 equals 92.34 centimeters cubed. Here are 15 values. Complete the frequency column. So we've already got 2 of these in the 1 to 10 bracket. So now the 11 to 20s, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in there. 21s to 30s, we've got 1, 2, 3 in there, and the other ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in there. Here's an L shape. Work out the area. So let's divide it up into 2 sorts. There's A, there's B. Add them 2 together. This is 20 times 8, which is 160, and B is 4 times 2, which is 8. And that makes 168 centimeters squared. Section B. Right. On a restaurant, special offer from Wednesday to Saturday. The table shows the income from the sales of drink for the 4 days. Make a chart. Okay, so on the bottom we're going to have days. And it's a bit difficult to see these squares. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to have Monday. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Somewhere around there is Tuesday. 1, 2, 3. Call that Wednesday. 1, 2, 3. Call that Thursday. Somewhere like that. I'm not sure because I can't see properly. So now we're going to go up to £1,400. So let's do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That'll do. So I'll start at 500, 600, 700, 800, 9,000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400. Oh, that fits nicely. So this is income in pounds. So don't forget to label all the stuff up, yeah, because I take points away from it because it's worth 4. So Wednesday we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What am I doing those days? They're the wrong days. Never mind. So we'll call it Wednesday. 1, 2, 3. Thursday. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Call that Friday, and 1, 2, 3. Call that Saturday. Okay, so on Wednesday we made 800. On Thursday we made 1,000. On Friday we made 1,400. And on Saturday we made 700. I'll join him up. The table shows the income from sales of food for the 4 days. In total, the income from food was more than 3 times the income from drinks. Right, so what's the total income from the drinks? So I'm going to add all these up together. So 800 plus 1,000 plus 1,400 plus 700. That's 3900. 3900. So let's go back down here. So drinks is 3900. Now, if we multiply that by 3, we get 1,700. So if that lot adds up to more than that, then we're correct. Yeah? If it doesn't, then we're not. So let's add this lot up. So this is food, which is 2,100 plus 2,800 plus 3,900 plus 3,500 equals. So the food is 12300. Yes, the food is 3 times more. And Rory, yes, Rory is correct. Well done, Rory. Right, the income from foods. So let me find where I am on this. The income from foods, and we're question number 9. Right, income from food comes from starters, mains and desserts. The pie chart represents the income from food during the special offers. Starters, desserts and mains. In total, Rory wants 1/3 of the income from food to come from starters and desserts. Has this happened during the special offer? Has this happened? So this is 9C, isn't it? So let me go down to 9C just to see how exactly they want that to be done. I think what we're going to do is the income from total wants 1/3 of the income from food to come from starters and desserts. So you've got to work out, is that 1/3? So 300, go on, right, please write. So 360 degrees, 1/3 of that equals 120 degrees. And so what you'd need to do then is measure that with a protractor to see if it's 120 degrees. So let's see, is that 120 degrees? I'm just measuring on the screen, so bear with me. I know you can't see this. It's 116 degrees. I got that stuck on against the screen now. It's 116. So that I've measured to be 116 degrees. So no, only 116 degrees. So income a smaller percentage. Right, in the next week, the total income of the restaurant is £14,800. The table shows the cost to run the restaurant that week. Then there's the wages chef, the chef's wages, the waiter's wages, and the other costs. Work out the profit. Right, so that's the income. This is the outgoings. So let's work out the outgoings, yeah? So 210 times 935 equals 210 times £9.35 is 1963 pounds 50, and the waiters is 570 times £7.90, which is 570 times £7.90. It's a mean wage, 4503. So that's 4503, and the other costs are 3700. Add this lot together. Yeah, 6, 9 and 5 are 14, and 7, 21, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it costs 10166.50, and we've got to work out the profit. So if we get how much we made, take away how much it costs us, that will be the profit. So 14800 take away 101.66 is £4,633.50. Right, so there's the profits. That's alright, isn't it, for a week? Right, Joe and Steve are planning to holiday to Spain. Joe and Steve look at the information about 2 towns they might like to go to. The table shows the number of hours of sunlight for 5 years. We want to go to the town with a higher average of the number of hours of sunshine. Use the reason why they might choose town A. Okay, so town A, we're going to add all of these up and divide by 5. So 199 plus 219 plus 198 plus 195 plus 214 equals 1024. Divide that by 5. So that gives a mean average of 205 hours. Town B, again, we're going to add them all up and divide by 5. So town B is 197 plus 207 plus 204 plus 196 plus 203 is 1007. Divide by 5 is 201.4. 201.4. Use the information table. Mean for town A is higher. Okay. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to do something like Joe and Steve decide to fly to Spain on Friday. So, hang on, and fly back to UK on the next Friday. What's the cheapest cost for 2 flights? So, forget the Saturdays. Give the date of each flight and the total. So if we go out on the 4th, and come back on the 11th. So this is going out on the 4th, will cost 82 plus 76. If you go out on the 11th, it will cost 72 plus 82. If you go out on the 18th, it will be 102 plus 99. Now I can see that this is smaller. That's too big, and this is 4 less. So the 11th is 72 plus 82, which is 154. So 154. So out on the 11th, back on the 18th. Cheapest. $10B, $10C. Right, you pay $17.99 for luggage. Wow. Okay, must be going on Ryan. No names mentioned. You pay $17.99 for luggage weighing up to 15 kilos. You pay an extra amount for each additional kilo of luggage. Joe's luggage weighs 19. She pays $23.99. Steve's luggage is 22. How much does he pay? Right, so this is Joe. Yeah, so Joe pays $23.99, and we take away that $17.99. Yeah, because that's what you pay up to 15 kilos. So she must have more than 15 kilos. So if we do $23.99, take away $17.99, that equals £6. So she's paid £6 extra. Now she has got 19 kilos. Take away the 15 kilos that you get for the $17.99, which is 4 kilos extra. Now she paid £6. So £6 divided by 4 kilos, 6 divided by 4 is £1.50. £1.50 per extra kilo. Now Steve's luggage weighs 22. How much is he going to pay? So let's come down here for Steve. Never give you enough room. Maybe I just write too big, I don't know. So Steve is 22. So he's going to pay $17.99 anyway for the first 15 kilos. Now if we do 22 take away 15, which equals 7 kilos extra, so he will pay 7 times the £1.50 charge. So 7 times the £1.50 is £10.50. £10.50. Now total for Steve is going to be $17.99 plus £10.50, which equals £10.50 plus 17.99 is £28.49, which is £28.49. Bargain. A bargain, Steve. Did alright. Now we're going to go to a trip to a concert now. So what's happening with the concert? Let's have a look. Right. He decides to drive to the concert and back. Ian. The concert starts at 7:15. Ian will take an hour and a half to get there. He wants to get there 10 minutes before. What's the latest time he should leave? So work backwards. So from 7:15, take away an hour and a half. Yeah? 1.5 hours. So take away 1 hour, that gives me 6:15. Take away another half an hour, That gives me 5:45. Right, and he wants to arrive 10 minutes before the concert, so take away another 10 minutes. So that will be 5:35. So the answer is 5:35 p.m. Always go backwards when you're doing these times questions. Right, a tank in Ian's car can hold 11.6 gallons of petrol. The petrol gauge shows he's about a quarter of a tank there. Ian's car travels 46 miles for the gallon. The concert is 70.3 from his home. Is there enough to get him there and back? Right. So Ian's tank holds 11.6 gallons. So I'll divide that by 4 because he's got a quarter of a tank. And this will tell me how many gallons he's got in the car. So 11.6 divided by 4 is he's got 2.9 gallons in the car. Now he goes 46 miles for each gallon. So if I do 46 miles times the 2.9 gallons, that will tell me how far he can go. Right? 2.9 times 46 equals, he can go 133 miles. Fantastic. But is it enough? The concert is 70.3 away. Got to double that because you've got to get there and back, which equals 140.6 miles. So no, it's too far. Or he hasn't got enough petrol, whichever one you want to look at it, whichever way you want to look at it. And so now we will go to the next question. Here's the price list for food and drink at the concert. Ian has a student discount card. He gets 15% discount on the food and drink. He's got £6.20. Does he have enough money to buy a hot dog, crisps and cola? So the hot dog is £3.95. The crisps is 90p. And the cola is £2.35. Right, so let's add that lot up, yeah? So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22... 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to cost him £7.20, but he's got a discount, hasn't he? So £7.20 times 15% equals, so £7.20 times 15 divided by 100 is £1 and 8 pence. Okay. So let's do the price and then we'll take away the £1 and 8 pence. Yeah, see how much he's got left. So £7.20 minus 1.8. So it's £5.40. Really? Oh no. Oh, let's do it this way. I put 1.8 instead of 1.08. Okay, so 1 and 1 is 2, 1, 6. Oh, £6.12. Oh yes, he has enough. Yeah, because he got £6.20 and it's only £6.12. Skin, they only got 8 pence left. Not much of a night out, is it? Right. Personal finance. You can use these steps to work something out. That's fantastic. What are we working out? Income tax you pay each month. Work out the monthly salary, take away that. Then the answer and divide by 5. Now, Cho has a salary of £24,000 a year. Helen has a salary of £30,000 a month. How much more income tax does Cho pay than Helen? So let's do Cho first. So Cho, he's got £24,000. That's a year, so we can divide that by 12, which equals £2,000 a month. Right, so we take away 987.5 from that. So 2000 take away 987.5, which equals 1012.5, 50 pence, yeah? Then that's the answer to step 1. Then we divide that by 5. So then we take the 1012.50 and divide that by 5. Divide by 5 equals 202.5, 202 and 50 pence, and a pound sign, yeah? So that's how much Cho pays each month in tax. Now Helen, she earns $17.20 a month, so we can go straight to the take away the 987.5. What is right? So he's going to pay, because he has £2,000 a month, so he's going to be much more, right? So that equals, so 17.20 take away 987.5. That's 732.5. Now to divide that number by 5, divide that by 5 is 146.50, £146.50. Now the question was, how much more does Cho pay? So if we do the 202.50, take away the 146.50, right? So 202.50 take away 146.5 equals £56. So £56 more. And here's David now. David is a net monthly income. Good old David. So that. From this, his expenses each month are rent, food, and other expenses. He saves 2/3 of the money he has left. How much will he save in a year? Right, so let's do 1623.48. We're going to take away the 500, going to take away the 420, and we're going to take away the 340, and that will tell us how much he's got left after all his expenses. So 1623.48, take away 500, take away 420, take away 340, so he's got left 363.48. That's lovely for a third, isn't it? So he saves 2/3 of the money he has left. So 363.48 times 2/3 will tell us how much that is he saves. Times 2 divided by 3 is 24232 equals 24232 saves a month. Yeah. Now we've got to do it for a year, so we do 242.32 times 12. So times that by 12, and I get 2907.84. 2907.84. That's how much he saves in a year. Well, that's the end of that question. Right, so let's go back up to the top to remind ourselves what we were doing. Okay, right, okay, that was a good one. Yeah, nice little workout there for a level 1. If you like these, why not subscribe to the channel and help it grow? I'm going to go through all of the functional skills for you. I know there's like millions of GCSE stuff out there, but functional skills, this is just for you. Any exam board, any level, let's do it, yeah? Now, make a comment to tell me which exam board you're doing. Do you want me to do that for you as well? I will. Thumbs up to say you've watched it, etc. And down below there's links to other videos of the same sort for you to watch. So thanks for watching, as always, and I'll see you in the next one.